welcome back to my channel Aparna's Home TV. I brought you a vegetarian recipe again, and this time it is a cauliflower peas fry recipe. It's like so delicious, so tasty, even with rice or chapatis, it will taste absolutely delicious. My mom used to make it when I was small, and now I love it. Like, I really love it. I saw her make it and I got the recipe from her. So it's absolutely tasty, guys. Please do try it and let me know if your family loved it or not. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's go and see this recipe.
Let's look at the ingredients we need to make cauliflower peas fry. Of course, one cauliflower I'm going to use. Whole cauliflower. I'll cut it into small florets and use it. Sorry, my voice is not good. I have cold, so sorry for that. And ginger garlic paste. I soaked one handful of peas overnight. So if you don't like too much peas, reduce the quantity. Little bit of methi. This is optional, but this is really good for health, so I'm adding it. Coriander for the garnish. Chilies, I'm using maybe 5 to 6. Reduce the quantity if you don't like chilies, because we are going to use chili powder. And half onion. We are not going to use the whole onion. Half onion is enough for this. And homemade coconut powder. In the end, turmeric, salt, chili powder, jeera and dhania powder. So first we need to boil the dried peas because they are hard, as you know. So we'll boil the peas, cut the cauliflower, and then I'll show you how to make the fry. I cut the cauliflower into small florets. As you can see, I didn't make them too small. Everything is ready to go. Peas are boiled and everything is cut. I used half onion. So let's make the curry. I added 1 big teaspoon of oil. Let the oil heat up. Oil is hot, so we are going to add all our cauliflower. This is a main step, don't skip it. We'll fry it nicely on medium heat. Little bit color, we are not trying to cook the cauliflower, we are just frying it. We need little bit coating on the outside and it's good to go. It will take around 5 minutes. Have some patience and nicely fry. It has fried a little bit, so we are going to take it out. Reduce the heat completely and take it out, and then I will show you. I added 1 more big teaspoon of oil. Oil is hot. I'm going to add some jeera. 1 teaspoon of jeera. Make sure the heat is on medium, and now we are going to add our onion. First goes in our methi. And next our onions and chili. We'll fry the onions until they turn little bit brown. I like to add my salt. At this stage, I will add as per your taste. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon, little bit more, so that it will be enough for my full curry. What it does is it cooks the onions little bit faster. Let the onions fry and I will show you in a little while. Onion is almost done. It's browning up. We are going to add our ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon. Fry it nicely. Few seconds, that's it. Don't let it burn. And we are going to add our turmeric. I like to add a little bit more turmeric because it prevents cancer. So here it goes. Now at this stage we are going to add our peas. Nicely boiled. Mix it nicely. Fry for a minute. Remember that we already added salt, so we don't need any more salt. And we are going to add our cauliflower. Mix it nicely. Now we are just on little less than medium heat. We are going to just let the cauliflower cook. With salt it cooks, it doesn't need any water, so let it cook. Keep the lid on. Keep checking between like a few minutes. Check it until the cauliflower is nicely cooked. We are going to cook it. Cauliflower is completely cooked. You can test it by breaking it. I'll show you. See. Just break it and it will break. That's how it's supposed to be. And now we'll add our spices. We are not going to mash the cauliflower or anything. Adjust the chili powder according to your taste. I'm adding around 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. Mix it nicely. And let this cook for another 5 minutes nicely, so that the chili powder and the spices cooks nicely and the nice aroma comes in through here. Keep the lid on. Heat should be less than medium and let it cook for another 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's look at the curry. Look how the oil is oozing out nicely. Now our curry is done. Off the stove at this stage. I'm offing the stove and done. We are going to add little bit of, just a little bit of coconut powder. It gives nice taste to it. And lots and lots of coriander. Mix it nicely. And there you have it, guys. Keep the lid on for a few minutes. And this is it. Look how delicious that turned out. Please do try it and leave your feedback for me. It will taste really good with chapatis or rice. Please do try it, and if you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.